Namaskar everyone. Today we are going to learn about our topic place value and face value. In place value, we will learn that how we will find out the value of any number. So here is the definition of place value. Place value is a place which tells us the value of that digit. For this we have taken one example. 948. 9 is standing under 100, 4 is standing under tens, and 8 is standing under ones. So in this we have to find out the place value of underlying digit, and that is 4. So first we will see that 4 is standing under tens. So we will write 4 tens as 4 is standing under tens. Or we can write 40 also, because under tens we have only 1 0. So like this we can find out the place value of any number. Now let's take one more example to understand it in a more better way. So here we are taking number 365. This is also our 3-digit number. So 3 is under 100, 6 is under tens, and 5 is under ones. And in this 3 is underlined. It means we have to find out the place value of digit 3. So we will see that where 3 is standing. 3 is standing under 100. So we can write here 3 hundreds. Or 300, because under 100 we have 2 zeros. So in this way we can find the place value of the digits. Now after learning the place value, we will learn the face value. So definition of a face value is face value of a digit in a number is digit itself. It means if we have to find out the face value of 3, then it will be 3 only. So let's understand this with the help of example. We are taking here number 504. So here we are having 5 under 100, 1 under tens, and 4 under ones. And in this 4 is underlined. So it means we have to find out face value of 4. So we will see that 4 is standing under ones, but it is of no use because this we see in place value. In face value, if we have to find out the value of any digit, it is the digit itself. So face value of 4 will be 4 only. Now let's take one more example. So here we are taking one more example, and that is 642. So in this we have to find out the face value of number 4. So again we have to find out face value of 4. So we will not see it is standing on which place, but we will just see the number itself, and that is 4. So we will write face value of 4 is equals to 4. So can you see that here in both the examples we have find out the face value of digit 4, and the answers in the both the example is same. So we can say that in face value it doesn't matter where the number is standing, whether it is on ones, whether it is on tens, or it is on 100. The answer will always be same. So in face value, always remember the face value of Any number is the value of the number only.